Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to delete images from library on Shopify. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser, search for shopify.com, then sign in your account. Now once you are here, what you need to do is to click on the content section at the left side of your screen, click on Files. Then here you should see all of your images in your library. So select on the image that you want to delete and click on delete file. Okay, so now this cannot be undone. The file will be removed from all places it is being used in your Shopify store. So if you're sure about your action, just go ahead and click on delete. And that is how you delete images from library on Shopify. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.